understand. Like, ooh, it'll make them quiet. Like
Hey guys, so yeah, I'm going to be playing Boat Racers with my sister. We love boat racing maps, so if you guys have a boat racing map, please tell us because we do love to play them. So yeah, shall we hop straight into it? Even though we're already in it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what? You're on the side that has nothing. We're doing 3 rounds of this, and I won the first round. That was flipping hard. Loser. What? Let's drive back up. See you guys in the next round. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do round 2 once she gets up here. Sorry about the wait. She's so slow. Hey guys, I'm back up. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Are you serious? Your boat's faster. I'm faster. I just bumped you. You were literally in my way. Stop! I keep hitting you. It's annoying. This is so stupid. Stop! Stop! Yes! Yes! See you guys in the next round. Okay, guys, I'm back. 3, 2, 1. My boat was stuck! And you're in my way. What the heck? What the heck? This is not fair. I finished. You want to do another round? No. No? You don't like this? Okay, we're going to move on to the next boat race. It's an old one, but we're going to move on to it. We're having a rematch on it. What? It's a different one. What? Beep! Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching and supporting me. It's like, it just helps so much. So, guys, if you guys want to see another video, smash that like button and tell me, guys, what map should I do? So, see you guys next time. Bye!